You need to watch this video if you're a baseball player with clean imaging, but you still have arm pain. As a physical therapist, I can say that this is something I see all too often. Luckily, there's never been a better time for you to help yourself than right now, so let's dive in. Clean imaging and arm pain can actually be a good thing. It means that there's nothing seriously wrong structurally. But why is there still pain then? Well, pain is not always related to structural damage. Pain is oftentimes just a signal from the brain, an alarm response saying it doesn't like this situation. If you keep doing what you're doing, then something can go wrong. In relation to throwing, it usually comes down to the arm not having the motion it needs to get into the throwing motion. Then every time you throw, the tendon, the bursa, the labrum, the thoracic outlet doesn't have the space that it needs, and that structure gets irritated. What's the fix then? Give your arm the range of motion that it needs to throw. Now, I've made a lot of videos on how to improve specific range of motion, but if you have imaging and you're in a lot of pain, the best thing that you can do is get an assessment so you can have exercises specifically picked for you. Don't wait and barter with your arm's health. Set up your assessment today, and we'll get you feeling better in no time.